Taj Mahal, a timeless marvel. The Taj Mahal, a 17th-century Mughal masterpiece, is a marble mausoleum renowned for its symmetrical gardens, minarets, and a mosque. Here's a condensed overview of this iconic wonder. Majestic beauty and atmosphere, the Taj Mahal stands as a global gem, offering a unique and captivating ambience. Despite the distance, consider a guided tour for an enriched experience. The structure's awe-inspiring design is complemented by stunning photography opportunities, which can be enhanced with assistance from local photographers. A riverside view adds a fresh perspective, unveiling the monument's varying charm throughout the day. Cultural significance. Situated in Uttar Pradesh, India, the Taj Mahal represents the rich cultural heritage of the region. Agra, once the Mughal capital, boasts an array of historical and architectural marvels. This city, with its proximity to New Delhi, attracts tourists worldwide, offering a glimpse into India's vibrant civilization and its evolving industrialization. Architectural splendor. Transcending mere architecture, the Taj Mahal is a testament to an emperor's enduring love, etched in stone. As English poet Sir Edwin Arnold aptly described, it's not just a building but a manifestation of passion. For an enchanting experience, early morning visits are recommended to avoid crowds and to witness the magical allure created by the interplay of light and clouds. Unforgettable wonder. Ranked among the world's 7 wonders, the Taj Mahal is an absolute must-see. Its breathtaking beauty, especially when approached through the main entrance, leaves an indelible impression on every visitor. Practical tips for exploration. While well managed, navigating the Taj Mahal's vicinity can be overwhelming for first-timers. Opt for government-run battery buses from parking to the entry point to avoid hassle. Be prepared with shoe covers and avoid carrying large bags or food items for a smoother experience. The Taj Mahal remains an architectural marvel, an embodiment of love, and an integral part of India's cultural legacy, a destination that captures hearts and leaves an everlasting imprint on those who witness its grandeur.